nurtured these vines, nurtured this block, and really tried to ensure that we keep as much fruit as possible. And I can say plenty fruit to harvest this morning. I'm super excited, can't wait to get this to the cellar.
About 12.
So we've just brought in all the Merlot, as I told you, and I've just been amazed whilst walking through the vines, helping them harvest, helping them pick, the process of picking today, realizing again the volume of work and care for each individual berry is quite profound. I thought to myself, imagine if one had to really calculate how many hands a berry goes through. Because it's been nurtured from the time of flowering, and our care and our work and us monitoring the vines, keeping the baboons away, irrigating, making sure it's getting perfect irrigation, you know, anxious for fire, anxious for wind, anxious for climate changes. And then today, whoops, in one spiel of like 9 months of prep, your fruit's taken. And now the process in the winery starts.
Each variety is individually picked, and then it undergoes 2 sortings. So we do a bunch sorting before destemming, as well as a berry sorting just after destemming. And this just helps us to ensure that we get the absolute best quality. We do a cold soak for about 3 days at 5 degrees Celsius. Afterwards we do fermentation in open plastic fermenters, and we make use of a 1-ton press, 1-ton basket press, where we press all our grapes.
People associate the Stella with Stellenbosch, as in my home is in Stellenbosch, but actually it's home of the stars. So our constellation, our portfolio encompass, we are home of the stars. We've chosen the constellations as our inspiration, and that's why Dave always says, you know, the heavens look down at us, we don't look up at the heavens.